Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll walk through the CGX app, our official fitness platform, and show you how to get started. CGX is a fitness training app. It brings together her signature training style, strength, endurance, mobility all into a structured, trackable format. Inside, you'll find guided programs, daily workouts, progress tracking, meal and nutrition content, in-depth articles for smarter training. Now, to start, first go to your app store and then download your app if you haven't. So search CGX Caroline Gilbert on the search bar. So this pops up and tap on that and tap on install button. After installing it, open up your app. Once you're in, tap on programs to start a structured plan. So that at the bottom of your page, you'll have the search button right there at the middle. So tap on that. Then you can see the options of program, series, workouts. So tap on programs and then you can choose your program. Then choose a workout and hit let's go to launch the video. You can also pause, skip or cast it to your TV. After each workout, log how you felt or track reps and weights. Then you can use the Discover tab to find mobility sessions, nutrition tips or progress tests. Also, CGX keeps you on track with a built-in calendar to plan and tick off workouts, progress tests for cardio and strength. You can also have a favorite section for your go-to routines, and also there's an offline access that is perfect for travel or more wider workouts. So that is all about CGX, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.